Hey guys, William Murfitt here, and in today's video I'm going to be replacing the clip that holds the front bumper to the front wing on the BMW Z4.
I know you don't love me like you say you do.
So I've been chomping at the bit since before Christmas to get this car all done and dusted and get it sort of gone before Christmas really, so my dad can have the car back. Only thing I've been waiting for is a clip, so it's arrived, so let's go get it. That is what I'm waiting for. So that is a £35 aftermarket bumper clip to replace this broken one here. Now you can see across the top they've got these 3 clips. Now that's what I've been missing from mine, and it's also missing this whole section here, which is also broke off. So that should clip on to the bumper, or the bumper this way, and as it gets pushed up against the wing it should clip up, and then this got screws and clips and all sorts. So let's get to the front of the car and see how we can fit it. This new clip should fit over the top here and slot and clip into place, and you've got 3 little lugs on the top which will locate into these 3 little holes here. Before I do that, just got to make sure that the bolt behind is clamped down, because I thought it'd be a good idea to undo that. Oh, how wrong was I? So, if you are going to do this job, don't undo that bolt. What you will need to do is release the 2 covers inside, which are these, and they'll give you better access to the inside. You've also got some popper clips, like so, and they'll hold in the inner wheel arch. So let's get this clip on and hopefully get it pushed into place. I'll bring you in and show you what I'm looking at, because this ain't fitting. So although this here looks like a relatively good gap, it should be further into the body because it sort of steps out back here. I should be able to, it's like this, I should be able to go across. It's in here, but it needs to go further in at the back, but it's not working. So I don't quite know how. I need to try and do it, but pull it back, I see some like score marks on the top of this panel and some indents here, so I reckon I could probably just use a little Dremel, take a little groove out here and here, and that should slot back on a little bit easier. So you'll hopefully be able to see just at the tip of my finger here, there's 2 little lumps. Now inside this new bracket there's also 2 little cutouts. So just using the Dremel, ever so slightly more, so I can locate those clips here and here. Okay, it's nice and secure. It's located, which is great. So let's get from the back, and hopefully we can see what we're doing with the clips wise. So on the back here, got these locators. They go in, and the panel closes. The wing back together, the inner wheel arch back together. Just one more screw, try and work out what that's supposed to be. Right back there. Right, job done. Right, so the gapping is nice. It's nice and secure, nice and solid. The inner wheel arch is done, and yeah. I think if I was to do it again, I would maybe look into how much the genuine part costs, because maybe it'd be a little bit easy to fit, because it's obviously made specifically for this model. Although the aftermarket ones are made, they have the car there and it's the factory fit, and normally things just fit a little bit easier. Sometimes though, parts are a lot more expensive than the main dealer, especially on a high-end car like this, and aftermarket stuff can be used here and there. So yeah, that is the end of this video, and pretty much the end of the mechanical work on this car done. So I hope you've enjoyed this series. There will be hopefully a few more to come in the future, and I will leave you here. And as always, if you have enjoyed the content, please hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. That's it from me. I'll see you guys later.